This is one of my favorite anti-rotation exercises. It's a little bit more challenging to set up, and you obviously need a bench for this. But essentially what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna have half of my body off of the bench. That half of the body that's off the bench is gonna have the weight, and this leg is what's gonna be holding me in place. Ideally, what's gonna be happening as this is holding me in place, the weight wants to pull me down off the bench. So I have to work really hard in this glute to hold myself up, as well as this part of my core to prevent me from rotating. So from a head down view, what it's gonna look like for you guys is here. I'm gonna get myself up, I'm gonna bring the weight up, be on the bench, and I'm gonna wiggle over. So now I got half on, left foot's on the ground, and now I'm gonna do my bench press here to really challenge that rotation. Again, it wants to pull me like this, so I have to fight that in order to complete the exercise.